Okay, this is what this dispenser looks like when it's the vacuum cleaner robot cleans the whole house. This is how much dirt is in there. This screen down there needs to be cleaned. Now this is just 1 day's worth, one time. I don't know what they're talking about 30 days and stuff like that. I don't know what that's all about. But these screens here, you see this? They're dirty, and I'll show you how to clean that up. So that's the amount that's in this dispenser. Okay? Just so that you know. Cooler out.